Hello, welcome to episode 4 of Simply Natto's Natto Recipes. Today's recipe is baked sweet potato and natto. This recipe is easy to make, and all you need are a few ingredients to get started. So let's enjoy some baked sweet potato and natto. To start with, let's prepare your natto. Add a splash of shoyu or soy sauce, and then top your natto with some fresh cracked black pepper. And finally, let's mix everything up 20 to 30 times. 20から30回混ぜましょう. I recommend trying this recipe a few different ways. The first option is to try both the natto and the baked sweet potato separately. So enjoy a bite of your natto and then enjoy a bite of your baked sweet potato. The second option is to combine the two. So you'll combine your baked sweet potato with your natto, mix it all together, and enjoy. Try out both options to see which one suits your palate best. Itadakimasu! It's time to eat! Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode of Simply Natto's Natto Recipes.